National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET 2021 result is under process and would be released soon. Meanwhile, National Testing Agency (NTA) has extended the deadline for correction in particulars of the first and second phase again and release important notice regarding NEET result. Candidates who have filled the application process and even updated their Phase 2 registration particulars are advised to check the following fields carefully on neet.nita.nic.in. The correction window has now been extended till 11:50 p.m. on October 14, 2021. Students have been advised to recheck and correct, if required, the information shared under gender, nationality, email address, category, subcategory and field of second phase carefully. The facility to make corrections is also available for the students who have done the one-time corrections earlier. NEET Result 2021, important update. In the latest